ladies and gentlemen. It's our pleasure to welcome you to JFK, New York City. And we're still an on-time arrival. Local time, 10:51 in the morning. Please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and luggage stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off seatbelt sign. Please be careful opening overhead bins to avoid injury from any items that may have shifted during flight. In the next few hours, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We welcome and value your feedback and user responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for your future travel needs, including checking in for flight and managing your SkyMiles account. If you valet check a bag using a pink tag, please wait on one side of the jet bridge to allow other customers to deplane while you wait to claim your pink tag baggage. Please don't forget to look around your seats and make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and this Detroit-based crew, we enjoyed having you on board and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful day and have a safe journey wherever your travel plans may take you.